Students' interaction in a reading list. When viewing a citation, the right pane is used for social interaction with the students. Here, students can like the item and add comments. As administrator of the reading list, you can delete comments from here. If we go back to the reading list, you can see the number of likes, comments, and clicks to view this item. You can disable all discussions about citations on reading list by going to Options menu, Configure List Discussions, Hide Student Discussion Thread. Now we can no longer see the comments, and going into the item, we can no longer see the discussion. To re-enable the discussion thread, go back to Options, Configure List Discussions, Show Student Discussion Thread. And now we can see the comment again. Now, if configured by your institution, you can add or edit a text header that will appear here above the comment. To do this, go back to the list, Options, Configure List Discussions, Edit Discussion Header. Enter your header and click Save. And back in the discussion, we can see our header here. So students will see this before writing their message. Now, another thing students can do back in the list is mark a citation as read. Go to the Citations Options menu and mark as read. Read citations have a check mark, visible only to the user who made it. And you can mark it as unread in a similar fashion. Also in the right pane is the Suggestions area, where students can add suggested citations for the reading list. To add suggestions, a student would go to My Collection, find their item, and under Options, suggest this item, select the reading list, add suggestion, close, and back at the list, we can now see there's an item in the Suggestions area. Now you or a list collaborator can add this citation to the list. Students and instructors alike can export a list or a list section to either PDF or Word format. So let's go to a section, Options, Export, let's say PDF, and you can open this file. And here are our citations, which you can print for your convenience. Students can edit their user information, including the profile picture. Here you can log into Facebook. I'm already logged in, and my profile picture has been taken from Facebook. Another feature that may be important to some students, to accommodate for reduced vision or color blindness, it is possible to enhance the accessibility of the list by clicking on Accessibility menu and selecting the relevant options. For example, large text and high contrast mode. So those are the various options available to students in terms of social interaction and setting up their user preferences.